all of the options that are available, there's a few that really stand out to me. I really like their vegetable tanning that they've done in their colors. So you can see with a salmon dial, this blue really pops, and the stitching is a color match stitching, and they did a really good job of making it subtle, but yet help refine the watch strap. Again, if you look at the green one, they've got this nice green stitching. It's slightly different than the vegetable tanning, but it's still very subtle. The Deployant clasp, which I think is probably my favorite, just for ease of operation and to extend the life of the strap itself. Seriously, if you've got the extra coin, I think it's worth upgrading to a Deployant clasp. Not only do they have straps like this, but they have so many different options. They've got metal bracelets as well. Again, they have different buckle styles from a Tang in a bunch of different colors. And of course, the Deployant clasp that I mentioned here, which happens to be my absolute favorite. So if you're interested in straps, REZERO is the place to go. For the money, I can't think of another strap that offers this much value.